Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Gadgets Techy. So, your Insignia TV won't connect to Wi-Fi? Yeah, I know that's annoying. You just want to stream your shows, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to fix this. But before we start troubleshooting your TV, could you please do me a favor? Hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's get your Insignia TV connected. Number 1. Wrong Wi-Fi band. 2.4 GHz versus 5 GHz. So here's the thing that trips up most people. Your Insignia TV probably only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. 5 GHz, not 5 GHz. Yeah, I know, it's 2026, but most Insignia TVs still don't support the faster 5 GHz band. Here's the fix. Go into your router settings or check your Wi-Fi network list. If you see two networks with similar names, one might say 5G or 5GHZ at the end. Connect to the 2.4 GHz one instead. If your router combines both into one network name, you might need to split them in your router settings or temporarily disable 5GHz. Trust me, this fixes the problem like 50% of the time. Number 2. Router and TV need power cycle. Sometimes your TV and router just need a fresh start. It's like when your phone acts weird and you restart it. Same idea here. Here's what you do. Unplug your Insignia TV from the wall and wait a full 60 seconds. While you're waiting, also unplug your router and modem. After 60 seconds, plug your modem back in first. Wait for it to fully boot up, then plug in your router. Once your router is back online with all the lights on, then plug your TV back in and turn it on. Now try connecting to Wi-Fi again. This clears out any temporary glitches and resets the connection between your devices. Number 3. Wrong Wi-Fi password. This one sounds obvious, but Wi-Fi passwords are super case sensitive. It's really easy to mix up characters like 0 and the letter O, or the number 1 and lowercase l. Here's the fix. Check the sticker on your router for the actual password. When you type it into your TV, go slow and carefully watch for uppercase, lowercase, and those confusing numbers. One wrong character and it won't connect. If you've tried multiple times with the wrong password, wait a minute before trying again, because your TV might temporarily block attempts. Number 4. Corrupted network settings. Sometimes your TV saves a network, but the settings get corrupted or outdated, and it just refuses to connect even though everything looks fine. Here's the fix. Go to your TV's network settings and find your Wi-Fi network in the saved list. Select it and choose Forget Network or Remove Network. This wipes out all the old saved data. Now scan for networks again, select your Wi-Fi like it's the first time, and enter your password fresh. This forces your TV to create a clean new connection from scratch. Number 5. Weak Wi-Fi signal. If your TV is too far from your router or there are thick walls in between, the signal might be too weak to maintain a stable connection. Your TV might see the network, but can't actually connect to it. Here's the fix. Move your router closer to your TV if possible, or move your TV closer to the router. If that's not an option, try removing any obstacles between them. You can also get a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system to boost the signal in that room. As a quick test, try using your phone's mobile hotspot. If your TV connects to that, then yeah, it's definitely a weak signal issue. Number 6. Outdated TV software. Your Insignia TV might have outdated firmware that's causing bugs with the Wi-Fi connection. Old software can create all kinds of weird network issues. Here's the fix. Go to your TV settings, then find System or About, and look for Check for Updates or Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Now here's the catch. If your TV won't connect to Wi-Fi at all, you might need to use an Ethernet cable temporarily to download the update, or check if your model supports USB updates. Once updated, try connecting to Wi-Fi again and it should work smoothly. Number 7. Faulty Wi-Fi module hardware. This is the worst case scenario. Your TV's Wi-Fi module inside might actually be broken. If your TV can't detect any networks at all when you scan, the hardware is probably dead. Here's what you can do. Test by trying to connect to your phone's mobile hotspot. If it still doesn't see anything, the Wi-Fi chip is fried. Your easiest fix? Just grab a cheap Roku stick or Fire TV stick for like $30 and plug it into your HDMI port. Problem solved, and honestly, it works way better than the built-in apps anyway. And there you have it. 7 quick fixes to get your Insignia TV connected to Wi-Fi. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech solutions. Drop a comment and let me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.